Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today we're diving into a highly intriguing anti-aging product, the B21 Extraordinaire Absolute Youth Cream by Orlane. This cream promises to refresh and restore radiance to the skin, and it's formulated with some pretty advanced ingredients. I'll be breaking down everything you need to know, from how it performs in real life to whether it's worth the investment. Let's get into it. The B21 Extraordinaire Absolute Youth Cream comes in a sleek 50mm jar and is formulated with Orlane's exclusive Youth Reset complex. This unique blend includes 21 amino acids derived from pale iris stem cells, alongside an active defense complex. What sets this apart from other anti-aging creams is the combination of cutting-edge technology and potent natural ingredients, aimed at revitalizing and protecting the skin. After incorporating this cream into my routine, I found it absorbed quickly, leaving behind a smooth, hydrated finish. The texture is light, but still rich enough to provide noticeable moisture. I applied it both in the morning and evening, as the product recommends, and noticed my skin feeling plumper and more balanced over time. Now let's talk about the experience. The first thing I noticed was how luxurious the cream felt. It's one of those products that instantly makes you feel pampered. The fragrance is subtle and pleasant, not overpowering. As for the effects, I did see a slight improvement in my skin's radiance after a couple of weeks of consistent use. It didn't give me overnight results, but it did offer a more youthful and fresh complexion with regular application. One thing I did notice is that while the cream is great for overall hydration, it may not be rich enough for those with extremely dry skin. For my skin type, which is on the normal to dry spectrum, it worked well, but didn't provide that extra layer of deep nourishment I sometimes look for during winter months. The pros of the B21 Extraordinaire Absolute Youth Cream are pretty clear. It's a lightweight formula that hydrates, improves skin texture, and provides a noticeable glow. It's suitable for all skin types, which makes it a versatile option for many. Plus, the technology behind the amino acids and stem cells feels like a high-end treatment for your skin. On the flip side, I'd say the only downside would be the price. It is on the more expensive side, so for anyone on a budget, this might not be the most cost-effective option, especially if you don't see immediate or dramatic results. So, is this cream worth the price? If you're looking for an anti-aging product with a sophisticated formula and you're ready to invest in your skin, I would say yes. This could be a great addition to your routine. But if you're simply looking for something that tackles dryness or extreme aging signs like deep wrinkles, you might find it lacks some of the more potent, targeted ingredients available in other high-end treatments. If you're thinking of purchasing this, I would recommend checking out some similar products at a lower price point, such as those containing peptides or hyaluronic acid, which offer hydration and anti-aging benefits without the hefty price tag. To wrap up, the B21 Extraordinaire Absolute Youth Cream by Orlane certainly delivers on its promises of radiance and skin restoration. If you're in the market for a luxury anti-aging cream with innovative ingredients, it could be a great fit. However, for those of us watching the budget, I would keep an eye out for alternatives that offer similar benefits at a more affordable price. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've tried this cream, drop a comment below to share your experience with it. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.